dun 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 dun. Super Motion Bros. The second move, part 1. It's me, Mario. Can't believe it.
Ultimate Fighting Toys.
No, we're not doing that. Well, anyways. It's a nice, beautiful day in Yoshi's Island.
And now here it comes.
Hey, ow!
No, pretend.
Ouch, get off me. Okay. It's been a moment since Jack was here, and then sacrificed himself last time in Super Yoshi Bros. The first movie. Oh well. And it's already been Christmas. And we've got this, and we're still building it. We got presents like that one over there that Goomba has. Okay. Wait a minute. A Goomba? Meanwhile. Okay, let's steal the presents. Oh wait, they already had this. Okay, let's steal one of their presents that they haven't got yet. Yeah, let's go. Wow, like this. But no, it's gonna be too heavy. No. It's been an invasion for a lot. Even in Lego City, it's been an invasion. Yeah. Our wheels in the room. Ooh, the Mushroom Kingdom's outside. I'll go see it fight Peach. Oh no! Peach. I'm here for you because my boss told me to get. What? Who's your boss? It's a secret. No. Where are we? Mario, help! Mamma mia! Peach's been captured! Mama Yoshi! Mama Yoshi! Mama Yoshi, wake up! Listen, Mario. Peach has been kidnapped! What? Oh! It's a good thing that I'm not kidnapped. Bowser! Yes, I'm capturing Yoshi because my boss told me to get him. Oh no! We gotta go save him. Yeah! I guess it's another level like one of those days.